Five, six, seven. 1, 2, 3. Release and bam. Oh, looks beautiful. And Tasia gonna show you, for the ladies, 3 ways also how to use your arms. So ladies, it is for you, okay? It's for you. I convince you to not walk straight. By walking straight, we check Tasia's movement now.
Okay.
She's doing the normal cross by the lead, okay? 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and 7, and 1. So you see that on 7 and 1, you are going back. Do the same thing again, please, to this side. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1. Alright. We gonna show you how you can style your cross by lead with the 7. Okay? So check now the difference. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and 7. That looks so much better. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Release and bam. Oh, looks beautiful. And Tasia gonna show you, for the ladies, 3 ways also how to use your arms, okay?
Okay.
So, version number 1 for styling. 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and 7. So on 7, she's raising your, like it's 1, 2, 3, or 1, 2, and the other side. Alright. Keep in mind that you have just time until 3. Check it out. Now I'm gonna do the lasso move, for instance.
Okay.
Not the lasso move. I'm gonna give you the hand on 3. So you need to keep always aware there is a man who wants to lead. But usually until 3, you're fine. Except he wants to do a double turn or whatever. Let's go. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. So ladies, for you, if you want to style, keep in mind that you come back on 3. Can we do it again? 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Bam! Okay? And then we are using, I don't know, right turn, whatever it is. Okay? So let's repeat, go in details. So we go one more time. Just 1, 2, 3. And then it depends. You can also go straight. But for sure you need to come back in order that your hands come into the center. Okay? That's for sure. Version number 2. Let's say there is a break. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and boom! Check, Tasia. Du bist jetzt diesen Zirkel, ja. So. So, you have seen. So, you can do this move only if the guys release you, and you see that the guys also do like a stop. Okay, so we are trying to pronounce the music. So Tasia is doing kind of a circle. Let's do it really smooth again. Just watch her. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and 7. So then you think like 7, 8 on 1, 2. How do you proceed? 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, and you need starting them with your 5. Okay, just keep that in mind. This in case you have time. This in case there's a music and it goes boom. Okay, So usually it's, if the music breaks, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Either you have your 1 or you do 1, 2, 3 and 5. It depends on the music, and it also depends of the leader, what he wants to do, okay? Version number 3, the body wave. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6 and 7. Wow. Okay? So basically, it's crazy how you can style your 7 by going to the side instead of going, you know, forward and backward. It's just crazy, okay? So just keep that in mind. Let's do it one more time, and then we go in also in detail. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and boom! How do we do it? The body roll, in order to do that, remember it's on 7. So we go 7. So you lean completely forward as she's doing that. Can you do it in this?
Yeah. Okay.
5, 6, and 7. So you lean first. You can do it actually when you do that here. 7. So you first the head, then the chest, then the hip, and then back. Okay? If you want to lick that.
Lick the wall.
Lick the wall. On the wall. Okay. Yeah, so it's you need to put your head, chest, hip, and roll it. Okay? It's for the ladies, and that's what you can do on 7. The hands of her, it depends what you want to do. You can leave it here, but you can also put it on your head, whatever it is. But here, don't do too much. If you do already your head roll, then just, you know, because we need one focus point. You can't do everything, you know. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. All together. Woohoo! Okay?
Ya tú sabes que estamos toditos en las mismas, buscándonos el pan. Sube. Todos sabemos